Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Keyboard shortcuts are time-saving key combinations that replace mouse clicks for faster execution of computer tasks. While you're already familiar with common shortcuts like Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and Ctrl A, there are a vast number of additional shortcuts that you can also use. In this video, I will show you some of the most useful keyboard shortcuts for your Windows computer. Let's go. First on the list is Windows plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B, a keyboard shortcut that can potentially resolve black screen issues. It functions by waking up the device when it encounters a black or blank screen. The Windows plus X shortcut swiftly accesses the Power User or Quick Link menu, a centralized hub offering quick entry points to essential system tools and settings such as Terminal, Device Manager, and more within Windows operating system. Instead of right-clicking a specific program to run it with administrator privileges, you can simply hold down the Ctrl plus Shift keys before clicking the application. When you hold the Shift key, you can select multiple items at once. Please note that its functionality varies depending on the application. For instance, in File Explorer, selecting the first and last items in a list while holding Shift will highlight all items between them. While in word processors and text editors, Shift plus clicking enables you to easily select a block of text. As you already know, your files are automatically moved to the recycle bin when you regularly delete them. If you want to bypass this folder and permanently delete the selected items, use the Shift plus Delete shortcut. Remember to always observe extreme caution when using this shortcut, as deleted items cannot be recovered. If you want to see more than one program on a single screen, use the Window plus arrow keys to manage where windows appear on your screen. Pressing the right or left arrow key snaps the active window to the right or left half of the screen respectively. To restore a maximized window to its previous size or minimize it, use the down arrow key. Conversely, the up arrow key can be used to maximize the active window to full screen again. The Windows plus Shift plus S shortcut instantly launches the Snipping Tool capture window, allowing you to select and screenshot a specific area. Once captured, you can easily edit, save, or share the image. One of the most useful tools in Windows is Task Manager, which helps you efficiently manage running applications, processes, and other system tasks. To access Task Manager directly, press the Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape shortcut. Another tool is the Windows Run dialog box, which users can access to quickly enter commands or file paths to open programs, documents, or folders directly bypassing traditional navigation through menus or the Start menu. Simply press Windows plus R to launch this program. Windows also provides keyboard shortcuts for efficiently managing multiple displays. For instance, the Windows plus P shortcut offers quick access to project settings, which is especially useful if you want to extend your desktop workspace across multiple monitors. On the other hand, the Windows plus K shortcut conveniently opens Connect settings, a feature designed to effortlessly connect your PC to wireless displays such as projectors or smart TVs that support Miracast or WeGig technology. Do you often insert various emojis, Comojis, and symbols while chatting with your friends? Normally, the regular keyboard doesn't have a dedicated emoji key. Instead, you can press the Windows plus period or Windows plus semicolon shortcut to access the emoji panel on Windows. Moreover, Windows offers a clipboard history feature that stores recently copied or cut items. Quickly access the clipboard bin by pressing the Windows plus V shortcut. From there, you can easily select and paste the desired content from a list of previous items. If you want to switch between applications in the exact order they were launched, use the Alt plus Escape shortcut for easier navigation. This is particularly helpful when multiple programs are running simultaneously and you need to quickly access a specific application without minimizing or closing others. Finally, you can also locate desktop icons or files without closing any open applications. The Windows plus D shortcut instantly minimizes all open windows, providing quick and easy access to your desktop. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or other problems with your Apple device, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.